Maneuvering in tight parking lots and garages can be a challenge at times, especially if it's an unfamiliar area. That's why Genesis offers their available parking distance warning system. The system assists the driver during parking by alerting them to objects in front or behind the vehicle. It uses sensors in the front and rear bumpers of the vehicle to search for objects, provided you are going less than 6 miles per hour. If it detects them, it can then relay that information to the driver. To turn the system on manually, press the parking distance warning button near the shift lever. Once you turn the system on manually, the vehicle will remember it each time you cycle the start-stop button off and on unless you turn it off manually. If you have the system turned off manually, it will still automatically turn on anytime you place the vehicle in reverse. But it will turn off automatically when you exceed 12 miles per hour in drive. The system will then be off until you either press the park distance warning button to turn it on or place the vehicle in reverse. You can turn the system off while in reverse by pressing the parking distance warning button next to the shift lever. However, the system will turn back on the next time you engage reverse. The closer you get to the object, the more frequent the audio cues. If the sensors detect multiple objects within range, the sensors are designed to alert you to the closest object. While the parking distance warning system can help with parking, it does have limitations as well as conditions in which it may not operate as planned. You should know that the system is primarily designed to detect vehicles. You should also know that if you are driving near an electric vehicle or an electrical transformer, the system may be triggered in error. The system may not correctly recognize non-solid objects, such as shrubs or hedges. It also may not recognize sharp or slim objects, such as chains, ropes, or poles. You should avoid placing stickers or other obstructing items over the sensor areas. Doing so may cause the system to not operate correctly. Please consult the owner's manual for info on where the sensor areas are, as well as more information on the parking warning system. Finally, Genesis recommends that you always physically check the area around your vehicle every time you get into it to help keep yourself and others safe.